If you have oily skin, or you have acne prone skin, or you have oily and acne prone skin like yours truly, this makeup tutorial is for you. So I don't look like a tangerine. Naturally good to your skin. Let your oils come. Let's produce as much as you want. Your makeup is going to stay on your face. Back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nenya. If you're a returning subscriber, hi! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Oh god, I have not filmed any makeup content in a while, so I'm excited to film this one. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial for oily and acne prone skin types. If you have oily skin, or you have acne prone skin, or you have oily and acne prone skin like yours truly, this makeup tutorial is for you. Let's just get right into the video. I want this video to be as short as possible so that it won't take a long time. I'll try and explain each step by step. Yeah. First thing I'll tell you to do if you have oily skin is to hydrate your skin. Even if you have acne prone skin, dry skin, always hydrate your skin, because you will end up oilier if you don't hydrate your skin than if you don't hydrate your skin. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. So the next step or the first step basically in your makeup routine should always be primer. Primer helps the makeup to stay longer. Most people don't believe in primers. I'm one of those people that didn't believe in primers until I used a primer for my skin. You need to keep trying different primers until your skin is satisfied with whichever primer you end up choosing. The primer that my skin loves as an oily girl is the Zaron mattifying primer. I've used this primer in almost every single makeup video I've ever done on this channel, and it's almost done. I would like to try more primers. The next thing we face is the hyperpigmentation. We need to try and hide the hyperpigmentation without using so much product. Normally you see them go in with concealer and conceal the blackheads before they go in with foundation, but the foundation I use is really high coverage. Even though it says medium coverage, it's like really nice for it. The foundation I'm going to use is Zaron foundation. Just little lines here and there. Something you need to be aware of in Zaron foundations, it oxidizes a lighter shade than what it actually is in like when you first apply it. So it's kind of disappointing that this is the darkest shade, that 45 is the darkest shade, and I'm not even that dark, but when it oxidizes it becomes a little bit yellow for me. But I already know how to fix that so I don't look like a tangerine. So just be aware of that. If you're ever going to look for a Zaron foundation, go for a shade that's exactly your shade or a shade darker. Something I should also tell you for acne prone skin types or oily skin types or any skin, to be very honest, anyone that's doing your makeup, you should always take your time to do your makeup. I know that we always want to like rush out of the house, be done in like 5 minutes and go, but then it's possible to do makeup in 5 minutes and go, but no matter how professional you are, if you rush your makeup look, you're going to end up looking tacky. It's going to end up looking terrible. So the best thing for you to do is always take your time to do your makeup so it lasts longer, look better, and you enjoy it more. Next thing I'm going to do is concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. To be very honest, I haven't used that many concealers. If you have any recommendation of any concealers for even anyone dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, you can leave them down below. But this concealer has never broken me out before. It's the most affordable and also accessible concealer, at least here in Nigeria. All I'm using, that's it, that's what I'm using. So we're going to let it sit for a little while, like maybe like a minute or two. The next time I'm going to add this powder, I'm going to use my Milani powder. It's already dead, it's like gone. I need a new one, but for now it's gonna do what it needs to do. So I'm just going to apply the powder with a fluffy brush under my eye. I'm going to use a wipe to clean my eyebrows from the powder, the foundation, and everything. Like, see the foundation on the brows. I can't really tell you how to do this because my eyebrows are really bushy. I still need to like trim them or shave them or pluck them or twist them. But so then you just start from the front and work your way to the back, getting the shape that you want, that works for your face, you know. I think I'm okay with my eyebrows like this. I prefer curved, bushy eyebrows. I don't really want defined eyebrows. I'm still going for the natural look. I have naturally dark eyelids. Like even when I put foundation on my eyelids are still darker than the rest of my face. I just carry this dark shade from this bronzer palette and just apply it to my eyelashes, eyelids. I ended up doing a lot more to my eyes than I wanted to. I just wanted a simple normal eye look. I ended up putting a little bit of bronzing highlighter on my lids and adding darker shade out. The thing about oily skin too is that as time goes on, your makeup will settle into your face, mix with your natural oils and look like a natural part of your face. So if you look a little bit powdery, don't worry, just wait a few minutes. Next thing I'm going to add is a blush. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to add the blush to my face. Next thing we're going to do, since we've already done all the powders, is to apply mascara. Nothing really much to be said there, it's literally mascara. So the next thing we're going to do is our lips. So we're going to clean our lips too with wipes to remove the foundation that's going to be on lips. It's so funny how I wanted a more natural look, but I ended up putting more than I wanted. Last tip, setting spray. I know some people will be like, oh my god, setting spray used to make my makeup run off, it makes it look sticky. Setting spray can either make or break your whole makeup, your whole work, everything could end up destroyed because of setting spray. And setting spray can end up holding your makeup, making your makeup look set, making your makeup look like it's naturally glued to your skin. Setting spray can do all that. I've noticed that most tutorials on YouTube don't highlight what they do after setting spray. They just have the aesthetic of spraying it and then you're like, oh wow, we're done with this makeup look. But they don't tell you what they do after they finish applying the setting spray. So I'm just going to put my setting spray like this. So the thing you are to do is to now tap in your makeup with the setting spray with a beauty blender so that it will mix with your makeup instead of making your makeup soggy and like fall off your face immediately. So you just make sure you're pressing down. I always recommend the beauty blender because it's easier. It's just to like tap it in, and then everything is locked in. Nothing is gonna move. Let your oils come. Produce as much as you want. Your makeup is going to stay on your face. To be honest, this should be all for this makeup tutorial. I hope with the techniques and the products that I have shown you today, you'll be able to create your own makeup look without worrying about breaking out or looking too oily or your makeup not lasting during the day. There are so many things to advise, there are so many things to say when it comes to oily skin and long-lasting makeup, like eyeshadow, different types of eyeshadow primers if you're actually applying eyeshadow, which I wasn't supposed to, but I did. Different techniques of applying foundation, so many other things, but I think I summarized everything into this one video, and I hope that this is really helpful to you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, if this video is helpful in any way, shape or form, make sure to give it a like, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok for more content from me. My Instagram and my TikTok for more content from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.